Today is Sunday, the Lord's Day. O Lord, my Lord, this is your day, the heavenly ordinance of rest, the open door of worship, the record of Jesus' resurrection, the seal of the Sabbath to come, the day when saints militant and triumphant unite in endless song. I bless you for the throne of grace, that here free favor reigns, that open access to it through the blood of Jesus, that the veil is torn aside, and I can enter the holiest and find you ready to hear, waiting to be gracious, inviting me to pour out my needs, encouraging my desires, promising to give more than I ask or think. But while I bless you, shame and confusion are mine. I remember my past misuse of sacred things, my irreverent worship, my base ingratitude, my cold, dull praise. Sprinkle all my past Sabbaths with the cleansing blood of Jesus, and may this day witness deep improvement in me. Please give me in rich abundance the blessings that the Lord's day was designed to impart. May my heart be fast bound against worldly thoughts or cares. Flood my mind with peace beyond understanding, and may my meditations be sweet, and my acts of worship, life, liberty, joy, and my drink the streams that flow from your throne, and my food the precious word, and my defense the shield of faith, and may my heart be more knit to you, Jesus. And Sunday is the perfect day to go to church, worship the Lord together with all your brothers and sisters.